I'm meteorologist Todd Clausen. Isolated downpours are possible, as you see there on TrueCast, throughout the afternoon hours, with localized flooding being our main concern. A little bit of lightning will be possible as well. Not everybody sees the storms. Everybody, though, deals with the heat and humidity. A high of 90 today with heat index values near the triple digits. It will be super steamy. A cold front arrives this weekend. That'll wring out all the moisture that we have in the atmosphere, but it comes in the form of rain. Locally heavy rainfall Saturday, 2 to 5 inches will be possible. And you see here on TrueCast these bands of purple and dark red. That's where we could see the heaviest of the rain, and it's right across much of the state of Indiana. So there will be a few dry hours mixed in on Saturday, but that's the wetter day. Sunday, a little more in the way of sunshine and a high temperature of 82.